Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can connect Google Ads to HubSpot, so let's get right into it. Now, what we're going to do first is we're going to go into the app marketplace, which you can find over here in data management, and go into integrations. From here, you can go into the app marketplace, and from there, you can select the app that you need. In this case, if I scroll down, it's going to be Google Ads, so let's just click on it. Once you're there, you can just click install the app, and that's going to ask you to create ad accounts for HubSpot or connect them. Now, I don't have any, so I can't really do this, but pretty much you just need to connect the ad account that you already have or create a new one if you don't have it. And then once you connect it, it's pretty much as easy as installing the app, and it should install very easily. If there are any extra steps, it's going to outline them here. All apps do have different installation procedures, so I can't really show you guys, or even I can't even imagine what would be needed. But as you can see, you can connect your Facebook, Instagram, Google, and LinkedIn ad accounts to HubSpot and see which ads are turning prospects into customers. You can view the return on investment, use the CRM data and everything, and you can qualify for $500 in ad credit when you connect an account. And that is basically it. Now, as I mentioned, I don't have any ad accounts, so I can't really show you guys, but it's really easy as connecting the ad account and using this. And that is basically it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.